In this video, I'm going to show you how to make slow motion of a video which is shot at 60 frames per second or even lesser using DaVinci Resolve in 1 minute. First, drag the video you want to the timeline, and this video is 60 frames per second. Click on the video, open the inspector and find the section speed change. Adjust the speed to your liking, but I'm reducing it to 50%. Let's play the video now. As we can see, it's in slow motion and very smooth. Now go to the inspector again, and in the section speed change, I'm gonna make it as 25%. Let's go and play the video again. As we can see, the video is in slow motion and little bit choppy. This is because of the availability of very low frames per second. To fix this, go to the inspector again, and open the section Retime and Scaling, and select Retime Process as Optical Flow. This step is very important to fix the choppiness because optical flow will generate and insert extra frames to our video to make it smooth and nice. As we can see, the choppiness we had before is gone.